brother, they won't know. My advice goes to people that are dreaming to travel to abroad, especially US. As an Igbo man, these are too difficult. You don't know how to speak. Can Dutch, communication is not too hard to affect you even to get to on now. I forgot anyone why evangelist. Much you're gonna have one in the ground here. I will recommend you. You will judge. And you have to learn from grammar. Some school. Back in and your asses don't get more. Very different from Yasuo. Guess what? Huh? I will learn this. Yes, need to provoke. Go, people. Guess as I come. Never go. This will never more fashion. Put God first in your life. Put God first in your life. Put God first in your life. He loves you more. He loves you more, right? He loves you more. He loves you more. He loves you more. He loves you more. He loves you more than you ever know. He loves you more than you will ever know. Than you ever know. Than you ever know. He loves you more. He loves you more. Who go first? Who go first? Yeah, my brother. Okay. Who go first? Who go first in your life? He loves you more. He loves you more. Hi. That's it. When I was on about it. There is only one God. There is only one God. Do not worship any other. There is only one God. Do not worship anyone or anything else. There is only one God. Do not worship anything else. There is only one. There is only one God. There is only one God. Do not worship anything else or anything else. Do not worship all else. There is only one God. Do not worship anyone or anything else. Speak proudly. Speak politely. Speak politely. Speak politely. Speak politely to everyone, and do not use God's name. And do not use God's name. And speak politely to everyone, and do not speak politely. Speak politely to everyone, and do not use God's name. And do not use God's name. Speak politely to everyone. Speak politely to everyone, and do not use God's name as bad word. As bad word. as bad word. As bad word. Speak politely to everyone and do not use God's name as bad word. Bad word. Hey, so good. JK. Rest, okay. Rest and be thankful. Rest and be thankful. Rest and be thankful all that you have. Rest and be thankful all that you have. Rest and be thankful all that you have. Enjoy God's blessings at least one day a week. Enjoy the God blessings at least one day in a week. Okay, this one is this in Britain English, US English. Enjoy God blessings at one. Enjoy God blessings at last, Jamaica. Enjoy God blessings at least one day a week. Enjoy God blessings at one day a week. Enjoy God blessing at one day a week. Rest and be thankful at all that you have. Rest and be thankful at all that you have. Enjoy God's blessings at last one day in a week. At least one day in a week. Love. Allah, and obey your mother and father. Love, honor, obey your mother and father. Love, honor, Love, honor, obey your mother and father. Be kind to them. Be kind to them. They only want the best for you. They only want the best for you. I got this one. What else there? They only want the best for you. They only want the best for you. Love, honor, obey your mother and father, and be kind to them. They only want the best for you. Wow. Do not hurt others with your words or actions. Do not hurt the others with your words or actions. Be friendly and play nice with everyone. Do not hurt others with your words or actions. Be friendly and play nice with everyone. Chile que me. Y yo.